This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which Google account held the images because restoration happens per account. Once signed in, open Photos. Google.com or the Photos app and make sure Backup and Sync is enabled so originals are visible. Next, check Archive and Trash. Items deleted are kept for 60 days, so you may already have them. If Backup and Sync was off, proceed to the next steps to search device folders and prepare an export. This saves time later. Now you focus on finding the images. Use search with a date, person name, place, or object to narrow results quickly. Make sure to open device folders and check linked accounts like Google Drive if you previously saved there, because photos can live outside Photos. If you find what you need, select multiple items and choose Restore. That returns them to your library and albums. Once done, verify the image quality and file names so you can plan a bulk export if you want local copies. Finish by exporting or restoring the originals. Select Photos and Download, or use Google Takeout for a full archive in ZIP or TGZ formats. This gives you local copies. If images were deleted, restore them from trash within 60 days, and then check Archive and Albums to ensure they reappear. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to verify you're in the correct Google account and that Backup and Sync was enabled. If not, check other accounts and device folders before concluding the files are gone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.